So we're here at Family Spirit and just checking up on our borehole project, and we're soon to go to the farm to follow up on that. We're checking up on the water tank, and we're here with Susan, the head teacher and mama to many, and she is just going to update us on how everything has gone.
Thank you, water project, drink local, drink tap water. We appreciate very much for your service. Ever since we got the water, no more diarrhea, no dirty people around. We are ever clean, the beds, the food are clean. We drink safe water, and we are very appreciative. God bless you for your efforts.
And what have you used the water for?
We use the water for cooking, washing, for laundry, building. We are constructing a wall fence around, and also watering in the garden, like kitchen gardening, like those ones for cabbages, carrots, and kitchen gardens.
Wonderful.
Please.
We're happy it's going well.
Yeah, it is. Our life have improved very much.
Well, thank you. I'm happy it's working.
Please. It's my pleasure.